Good morning friends. Today we will learn input functions in Python. So what are the input functions in Python? If you want to input any data from the user at the runtime, so you need some input functions. So we have three input functions to store or to take input from the user. First one is input function. It is used for string data. If you want to take input as a string, now what is a string? String is always written in the single quote, double quote or triple quote. So you can use any method to store your string. For example, Alok. And you will write inside the single quote. So how to take input as a string? First point. For example, a is a variable. In this variable we will store a string value a. So we will use input function. Input enter a string. When you will execute this on the command prompt, then you will get one message, enter a string. Enter a string. Just enter the value as Alok. In the next line, when you will print the value of a, like this, you can use print function, print a. Then you will get the output as Alok within the single quote. So in this method you can insert the string value inside a variable or into a variable. Second point is to insert integer data in a variable. For that we will use int function. For example, b is a variable. In this variable we will use or we will store integer value. So we will use int function inside input. Enter a number. When you will execute this line on the command prompt, then you will get a message, enter a number. Just input as 10. When you print the value of b, to use print function, print b, you will get your answer as 10. So this is your integer value. If you want to change to check the type of that value, then you can use type function, type, then variable. It will return the integer. So if you want to input a float value, you can simply use float instead of int. For example, c is a variable, float input, enter a number. When you will execute this, then you will get one message, enter a number. Yes, right here 5, or you can use any decimal value, 5.5. When you will print C, then you will get 5.5 as a output. If you want to check the data type of this value, then you can use type C, and it will return the float. Thank you class.